guys, this is Alex here, and today I am going to be doing a Lego video. So I'm sorry for the really long break, and all the other videos have been deleted. So I'm sorry for that, but I just needed to restart this channel on a clean slate. Alright, so yeah, that's that. And today I'm going to be doing a Lego City set, as this is up here. And this is aged 5 to 12. And it is kit number 60,081. It looks pretty cool. It's like a pickup truck thing. It comes with a car. And there's like sketches at the back. Hey! Build it, pick it up. Alright. So let's get in and build it. Alright then guys, that is that build done, and that was a fairly long build for me because I haven't built Lego in quite a while, but it's quite cool. I will be deeply reviewing it in the next episode, hopefully, which should be up in about a week or so, so just leave a like if you want to see that, or more Lego. And this is quite cool because it comes with 2 separate vehicles. And yeah, that's it, really. So I hope I'll see all of you in the next episode. So bye!